So we are out at Pancake Creek. Got nephew Callum, Kari up the front at the 4 mile. And Callum's had bites straight away. You might want to check that bait, so see how we go. Little brown hussar, undersized, really good eating. We want bigger ones of them. He's probably still legal, but there'll be a big school of them down there. That's probably what was on the sounder.
How many meters?
6.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. What do you got? Little hussar. We won't put that one on camera. Python, could be a cod or two. Cod. He just hoofed that in.
Oh, yeah.
Nearly getting legal on him.
Quick, put your bait on your boat. Oh, another.
And I got a big cod. Jeez, you weren't missing him.
Oh, he would do. Grab it.
Beautiful. That's cod number 5. Got about 45 to go. Stripey. Yeah, have you ever seen these? The D hookers?
Oh, yeah.
So you
Just come off.
and then back towards you. Stripey. Cod hussar. What's Callum got? Something better than a cod?
Hopefully.
Nope. That's a good cod too. That should be legal. Oh, another little huss. Is he? Oh no, it's a better hussar. Might keep that one. Yeah. Shh. Better one. Grassy. Yo. There we go. First grassy of the trip. That wasn't the first fish. Ah, another little one. Small. A cod in the side. Oh, look at that. I've actually
Oh, you've like...
I've lassoed him. I've lassoed a cod. That is funny. The hook is not in him. Have a look at that. Literally lassoed him. Oh, that's funny. Ha ha! Stripey! Yee-hoo! Oh, faithful. Bit of fun on the light gear, eh?
Yeah, like it. Oh, that's right.
Yay! Nice!
Yeah, keep it too.
There we go. Woohoo!
Yeah.
Ah, and I just got busted again. I just put a new line on them. Oh, hey. What do you got, cod?
Yeah.
Well, we're up to about 20 of them.
Oh, yeah.
Oh no, that's an aquarium stripey. How good would that look in a fish? That's more better one for here.
Oh.
Let's give it a. Ow.
Oh, sorry.
Oh fuck, that's a good cod. That should be legal. Stripey. Glad we moved. Whose idea was that? Oh, good stripey. Look how pretty that is. Look at the colours on this thing. Callum. Look how pretty that is. Look at that.
Oh, that's a nice.
Pretty, eh? Yeah. Stripey. Oh, he'll be probably afraid. Just a little bit too small, eh? Oh, it's good to see him in big numbers. Oh. Fusilier. Yeah, it's Fusilier.
Look how pretty it is.
Yeah.
Look at where you've hooked it.
Yeah, in the anus. Ah, got hooked in. No, they're not real good eating, unfortunately. They're really mushy. Oh, hang on. Oh, I'm on. They're edible, but they're not that great. Is what I'm trying to say. Oh, stripey. Oh, getting closer. Cod number 53 for Callum. Yeah, that's a cracker. Hey, hey, hey. They fight a lot better too, those big ones, eh? It'll be high 30s, that one. I need a gaff for this one. Half and 2 months, I dismiss me fish. Whee! Haha, grassy, only a little one. Yee-hoo!
Hey.
Ooh, what is he? Why did I come over to his side? Now I'm getting the cod. Look at the size of that cod. Look at that. That's little hussar. It's funny how some of them have darker stripes. Hussar. Yeah, we don't get too many Spanish in here. Oh, shit. Oh, I don't want to gap him because he might be under. Oh, shit. No. Fuck. Whee! Fuck. Oh, I might just land him because their mouth will keep that. Right, look out.
Oh, that's oh, wait, you had
yeah. Right. Oh, we weren't losing him. He's well hooked, that one. Now.
Let me just throw you on back.
Look at that.
What does that have to be?
75.
The hook, the
Stripies. There we go.
you want that one?
Yep. Stripey number 15. We got. Oh, big hussar.
Yeah.
That's a crap. Another little Spanish. Yeah, little Spanish. He'll be undersized too, unfortunately, but good work. And it's a cod. Callum, you caught a cod. What a surprise.
This GoPro light at the back's blinking red. What is that?
That means it's on. Just say GoPro stop recording.
GoPro stop recording.